My name is Jack Carlin and I'm studying physics, maths, chemistry and biology A-levels. I decided to come to college to really build on the foundation that my GCSEs set out so that I'd be ready to go on to university and hopefully set up my future career. I particularly enjoyed the style of learning that is quite different from GCSE. In GCSE, a lot of your information is spoon-fed into you, but at this level, a lot of the learning is independent and you really get a lot of support to develop your independent learning skills so that you can really learn to learn. We have quite small classes compared to a lot of other colleges, so you build a really strong personal bond with each of your tutors and they are there all the time for you to have help and support in whatever you're doing. The facilities at the college are fantastic. We have a great library for all our studying. We have full computer suites in most rooms, and science-wise we have really great labs that allow you to do a vast range of experiments that some colleges just don't have the facilities for. College has changed my expectations of myself in that I feel a lot more confident now. I feel a lot more ready for a future career that I wasn't necessarily prepared for or expected that I could do. My plans after I've finished my course are to go on to university to study physics and hopefully then go into a future career in physics. My advice to anyone coming to college is sort of do your homework, put the work in, because 10% of your learning is in the lessons, 90% is when you go home and you put the effort in, and that is how you succeed.